Hi, my name is Ellis, and today I will be teaching you how to make your first delicious cup of tea. Here are the ingredients you will need for this process. Quickly gather these ingredients. You will need a bag of your favorite tea, water, sugar, optional, honey, optional, and milk, optional. Also, gather a tea kettle, a tea cozy, a cup or a mug, and a spoon. Here are the steps you should take of making the perfect cup of tea. 1. First, fill the tea kettle with water and put it on the stove on high heat. While the water is boiling, take out your favorite tea cup or mug. Next, put your tea bag into your cup or mug. When the water has boiled, carefully pour the water into your cup. Cover your mug with the tea cozy and let it steep for 5 minutes. Uncover and remove the tea bag with a spoon, careful not to burn yourself. Optional. Add sugar or honey for some sweetness, or a little or a lot of milk, however you enjoy your tea. Finally, deliver the tea to the one you love.